It all began right here. A humble beginning in the garage of a downtown St. Louis home. An idea, a vision, a passion. Bob Trulask, along with his brother Art and Father Frank, saw a need to keep things cold. So they got to work and designed the first roll-top refrigerator that would lead them to start true manufacturing. The future would be bright, more than they could have known. Leadership from Bob's two sons, starting with Rob, who grew the U.S. markets to new heights, and later Steve, who solidified our international presence, continued to shape this company into what it is, a multinational company that is the standard for refrigeration throughout the world. Today, True maintains just over 4 million square feet of manufacturing space throughout Missouri, where each unit is produced. These products are not only the most well-built and balanced refrigeration systems, but also the most environmentally safe refrigeration on the market. With every style, make, and model, and the ability to customize exactly the way you want it. At True, we look to continue to lead this industry forward, just as our founders did when they began what would become True Refrigeration, the industry's most complete refrigeration source.